All right, guys, we are very excited to bring to you another episode. I've been dying to do this again of Don't Break the Board. Don't do it. Don't do it. So how much do you weigh?
155.
Carlos?
115.
170.
Like 165, 168.
Is this all the people that are playing?
Well, Aaron lost on this episode of Don't Break the Box.
Oh no!
Oh god, I think there's actual poop on that.
There's more.
Oh, you're right.
Is there doo-doo on it?
Just a little dude.
No, that literally is poop. It's like horse poop.
It's poop, yeah. Those are like the smallest fingerboards I've ever
dope.
seen. Hey, Braille. I'm a 33-year-old single father from Cleveland, Ohio. I used to skate a lot when I was in high school, but haven't since graduating. I've been watching you guys since the beginning of the Lake Street days. And through you, I discovered Andy, Brian, John Hill, Chris Chan, Johnny Geiger, and more. It's crazy and awesome how many channels you have inspired over the years. I would love to start skating again if I could find the time and money. Anyways, I used to work for a local grocery store chain. They were known for their closeout section. I found this Tony Hawk board there for $19.99. Wow. I got it for laughs. Not only that, but look at there's so much like strings and hair.
Don't touch that, Aaron.
Why? I would love to see you guys skate it till it breaks. Although this episode is called Don't Break the Board. Don't break it. And a couple requests. This board is a 7.25, so double flip it please. And keeping with the puns and requests, let's see Fetty or Troy do a ghetto bird. So basically this is a collector's edition.
So we shouldn't break it.
No. I threw in some tech decks I also bought at that store. Anyways, keep doing your thing, guys. And maybe one day, when I can save some money, I can buy that sweet Jason Park 3-block board or the Aaron Kyro Final Fantasy deck. P.S. Sorry the board is dirty. I haven't even used it in a couple years and has been collecting dust in my basement. All right, you guys ready to don't break the board? Okay, so Don't Break the Board works like this. It's a game of skate, but we don't know why, because the letters mean nothing. You just do tricks. And a person does a trick, and then the other person has to do the trick if they landed that trick. But you want to specifically do a trick with the purpose of trying to get the other people, not yourself, remember, to break the board. The person who breaks the board, we light them on fire. There we go. The person who breaks the board gets lit on fire. So don't break the board.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa!
Sorry guys, not the best angle. Not the best angle.
We can finally ride a skateboard. Let's go.
Okay, don't break the board.
I'm going first because everybody else is too busy messing around. Ollie off the 3-stair. See that it's a lot harder to do that ollie than you would have expected. It says the bearings are terrible, but does it feel like it's gonna break? Looking forward to light Gabe on fire for a while. Teddy, you're gonna put out an eye. Daniel, the person, you didn't even wear pants today. We can't light you on fire. Straight to the 5? Are we really going there?
I'm not doing that.
I actually think what's gonna break it is a flat ground heel flip. Film from up here. No! Mother! It's not my turn anymore then.
Calm.
Okay, Carlos on his like mariachi band just threw me off.
Oh, mariachi!
I'm gonna try and tail drop it.
What in the world?
What just happened? All right, I got you.
What's wrong with you?
Nobody can do that, so they won't break the board. Oh no! Braille, worst falls. Then you get a letter. I feel like Uzi's gonna break his. Don't say it, just don't. Yeah. Break our pride, maybe. Wow, you're such a freak.
I'm gonna switch drop in on this hover.
Not okay. I'm gonna do this for Tony Hawk Boom Boom Huck Jam.
Don't break the Carlos.
How many lip slides till it breaks?
Braille Falls, episode 4. It's like you can never tell if Daniel's skating switch or regular. He just fully
easy
sends.
for tall people on this one, man.
We're going to the lip slide? Yeah. I thought this is what you did when you were trying to break the board. What are you doing? Back lip? Front lip is all we do here at the Braille House.
Bare backside.
Braille Falls. We should just call this video Braille Falls. You even lift, Braille? If I saw you in heaven.
Backside one in.
Yeah. I usually half cab into it, but there's no grip on that.
Los Litos on the first try! Do it again, let's give him a rebate. You got this, bro. First time we've ever seen shorts on the Braille channel, right there. He gets all depressed, like, I can only do it while I'm sliding. Don't break Fetty's face.
Should I do like a hard trick?
Ollie off the 5 and land to stall on the rail.
I'm gonna ollie 1 foot the long box.
Braille's first full-length movie, you'll find this on Netflix.
I'm trying to kick him for 5.
Oh, great. Thanks a lot, Fetty Potter.
Perfect size for me, dude.
Dude, it is the perfect size for you.
Go ahead and do your trick, and then I'll give the guy what he wanted in the note. Thank you. Every try, no matter what happens, he always lands. Like, it lands on anything, anywhere. All right, here's what the people actually want. That's what he wanted.
Here.
Now you. That whole light on fire thing is not a joke.
Oh no, I can't wait. Right. Hey, thanks.
Boom shakalaka. Yeah, they call me Splinter.
You can't.
Guys, the point of this video is it's the longest video we've ever made. What are we doing? Carlos is on the Braille drop.
You got this, Los Litos.
No, please don't do that.
Carlos!
I lost all my change.
Don't.
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, man.
That thing is not breaking.
There's no physical possible way that's gonna break.
Unless you nollie flip it.
I don't want to get lit on fire.
Can you
Carlos,
light my mustache on fire?
fire
so I can have a
down
clean face?
Yeah. I accept. It was pretty ghetto.
Someone get the torch.
Hold him down! My idea is that Nugget has to be caught on fire, but instead of catching him on fire, we catch Carlos on fire.
Put a deck on fire and he does a trick over me. I'll like hold it. How about that?
I don't want anybody getting hurt. They are trained professionals. Never do this at home, guys. But the only thing I was thinking is because we could put the flat bar here, then the whole place doesn't smell.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
If I lose my eyebrows,
Don't get under there. What are you doing? No, get out of there.
boom.
No, it's fine. Just go really fast. Here you go. You got it. You got it. First try.
Okay.
You ready? Go. It's too windy out here.
Go.
Do it.
Go!
We've decided, guys, to just imagine that there's fire. You're fine.
There you go.
First try!
Are you okay? Gosh, that was bad. Punishment was getting lit on fire. The punishment. These guys are like freaks. Alright guys, we hope you had a blast watching this video. We had a blast making this video for you. And we're on an all-out campaign right now to teach every single person how to skateboard. So click right here and go to the Braille shop. The first orders while supplies last will get a signed deck. If you get a deck, it'll be signed. If you get a hat, it'll be signed. If you get a DVD, SMS 1 through 6, it will be signed by the entire Braille team. We just went through and signed a whole bunch of stuff. So go to the Braille shop right now and get your gear, learn to skate. It's all a specific campaign to get as many people riding skateboards as possible. Then click right here to watch the other video that we made, Don't Break the Board. It is a really, really awesome video, and I think you guys will love it. So click right there, go ahead and check that video out. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. Please subscribe, click that like button, and leave the comment below.